Now, Tim Ferriss's front sear oven method, or what he calls it, sexy time steak, is a really special method of cooking steaks for me, because in 2012, I had no idea about cooking, let alone cooking good steak. But what you learn after going through his steak method is not just how to cook a good consistent steak, but it's the fundamentals behind searing a steak and bringing a steak to temperature through indirect heat. So whether you're a seasoned steak cook or just a beginner, the tips in this video will help improve the way you cook your steak. Let's get into it. To season our ribeyes, we're going to go with salt, pepper and MSG. This is going to bring out the umami flavour in the ribeye. Then we're going to refrigerate our steaks for 1 to 4 hours. This will allow the MSG and the salt to deeply penetrate the muscle tissue. When they come out of the refrigerator, they may have some surface moisture. Any surface moisture can completely ruin your sear. So we're going to towel them off, and then Tim suggests putting your steak into the freezer for 15 to 30 minutes to get that final bit of moisture off the surface. Once your pan's smoking hot, we drop in our steak, and I like to use a steak weight to ensure that we have even surface contact across the whole steak. Our goal is to sear this steak for as little as possible, ensuring we have a really good crust, but we're not cooking any of the internal of the steak. That's going to be done in the oven. After 1 minute per side, I'm just going to get some colour on the edges of the steak, and then she's ready for the oven to cook the internal. On a bed of rosemary, I place the steak and put a few pieces of butter on top. These are going to melt while they're in the oven. I've preheated my oven to around 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've put an internal thermometer right to the center of the steak. I'm setting my thermometer to a doneness of 137 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's what's going to give you that perfect medium rare. When our steak hits that internal temperature of 137 degrees, we want to rest it for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the juices to reabsorb into the meat. When slicing a ribeye, we remove the rib cap around the edge of the steak, as the tendons of the rib cap run a different direction to the main flank of the steak. As we slice open the steak, you'll see the benefits of using indirect heat of the oven to cook the internal of the steak. We're going to have very little grey band around the outside, and then our steak is going to be consistently medium rare throughout. Even as we cut closer to the edge of the steak, we're still going to have medium rare. This is simply just not possible if we cook the steak in the pan the whole time. So that's it, a really easy and consistent way to cook a steak every single time.